How to watch local channels on Roku. Step number 1, connect your Roku device. Ensure your Roku device is properly set up and connected to your TV and Wi-Fi network. Step number 2, use an antenna with Roku TV. If you have a Roku TV, you can connect a digital antenna directly to the TV. Go to the home screen and select the Antenna TV option. If it's not already set up, your Roku TV will guide you through scanning for channels. Once set up, you can switch to the Antenna TV input from the Roku home screen to watch local channels. Step number 3, add streaming channels that offer local TV. On your Roku device, go to the Streaming Channels menu. Search for and add channels that offer local broadcasts such as News On for local news broadcasts, Haystack News for local and world news, Pluto TV, and Plex offers channels that simulate the live TV experience. Some paid services like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV, and Fubo TV offer local channels as part of their subscription packages. Check availability in your area. Step number 4, use network-specific apps. Add network-specific channels available in Roku such as ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS. These apps often require you to have a cable subscription, but they might offer some free content. Use your login from a pay TV provider or a live streaming service where applicable. Step number 5, consider third-party services. Services like Locast, which used to offer free streaming of local TV broadcasts, have been discontinued, but keep an eye out for similar services in the future. Step number 6, check for updates on additional channels. Regularly check the Roku channel store for new channels or updates to existing channels that might start offering local content.